I'd like to spotlight how Canon is partnering with a multinational automobile manufacturer to assemble prototype vehicles. Our on-site team supports the internal logistics operation for the production process. This includes managing the flow of goods and materials within the production plant. We store, distribute, and manage these materials using processes and procedures that help ensure accountability and trackability. The automaker creates prototype vehicles to test the effectiveness of new parts and designs. This helps reduce safety risk and ensure that new models will run efficiently. One key functional area of manufacturing internal logistics is managing parts inventory. Canon receives parts that are used for prototype fabrication, engineering, testing, and tuning. The parts are then staged and distributed by our team to the fabrication area and test groups. Another vital area is parts inspection. Here, Canon checks the quality of parts using specialized tools such as calipers, micrometers, and gauges. The goal is to ensure that the parts received from the suppliers match the 2D and 3D design images and specifications before the parts are installed on test vehicles. A third area is within the metrology lab. Our team uses equipment such as ferro arms, ATO scanners, and coordinate measuring machines, referred to as CMMs. These devices scan and measure parts to increments so small they are not detectable by the human eye. The data collected on the parts can then be compared to 3D design images. This enables engineers to determine any variances in actual parts versus their 3D designed images. Our client is happy with Canon's team of material handlers, trainers, and analysts. Canon has helped improve processes and procedures for areas critical to fabricating the prototype vehicles. This includes leveraging our expertise in workforce management, warehouse solutions, and manufacturing. Previously, the prototype fabrication department used numerous temporary staffing agencies to fill open positions. The company took a new approach and engaged Canon to attract, manage, and retain a staff of trained personnel. Now the company doesn't have to manage multiple contracts with different agencies. They can also rely on Canon to implement employee career development programs and performance metrics that help drive continuous improvement. If you are looking to elevate your company's manufacturing efficiency and effectiveness, Canon can help. Please reach out to us today to schedule time with a solutions analyst.